Ever wish your smoothie could both taste like dessert and help balance your blood sugar while boosting immunity? Meet the Cinnamon-Apple Smoothie, a nutrient-packed morning drink that's gentle on your glucose and rich in antioxidants. In just one sip, you can enjoy delicious flavor and powerful health benefits. Let's explore how. Today we're diving into why this smoothie is a game changer. Apple's fiber and vitamin C. Cinnamon's blood sugar regulation and anti-inflammatory power immune support blend that protects and energizes. We'll also walk through how to make it, why each ingredient matters, and tips to customize it for your needs. Why apples work. Apples aren't just tasty. They're packed with pectin, a soluble fiber shown to stabilize blood sugar and promote digestive health. They're also abundant in antioxidants like polyphenols and contain about 10% of your daily vitamin C, helping to support immunity. That makes them an ideal base for this smoothie. Cinnamon's benefits. Cinnamon is more than a warm spice. It's a functional powerhouse, packed with polyphenols and antioxidants that fight inflammation, helps stabilize blood sugar by increasing insulin sensitivity and slowing carb breakdown, may support heart health through lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. Cinnamon's unique compound, cinnamaldehyde, contributes to these health-promoting effects. Immune-supporting fusion. Combining apple and cinnamon boosts your body's defense. Apples provide vitamin C and immune-protective polyphenols. Cinnamon's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects help reduce infection risk. Together, they create a delicious, gentle blend that's perfect for supporting both blood sugar and immune resilience daily. Step-by-step recipe. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 medium apple, cored, skin on. 1 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon, for safety and lower coumarin. 1 cup unsweetened almond or oat milk. Optional. 1 TBSP oats or chia seeds for fiber, protein. Optional. 1 TSP honey or medjool date for sweetness, ice as needed. Process: add apple, milk, cinnamon into blender. Include oats or chia if desired. Blend until smooth. Taste and sweeten if needed. Serve right away, sprinkled with a little cinnamon on top. This cozy blend takes just 2 minutes but rewards your body all morning long. Customization and tips. Want to make it even better? Use Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder for extra fullness. Add a spoon of nut butter for healthy fats and richer flavor. Use coconut water instead of milk for more hydration. A dash of ginger or nutmeg can elevate immunity and add depth. Stick to 1412 TSP cinnamon daily to avoid coumarin overload. When to enjoy and who should try it. This smoothie is ideal, morning or afternoon. Snack for people managing blood sugar or pre-diabetes. For anyone looking to support immune health, safe for most people, just watch cinnamon intake and opt for Ceylon if concerned about liver health. This cinnamon-apple smoothie delivers flavor and function, balancing blood sugar, calming inflammation, and strengthening immunity, all in a creamy, kid-friendly drink. Perfect for mornings, pre- or post-workout snacks, and anytime you want nourishment with taste. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who could benefit. Let us know in the comments how you customize yours, or if this became your new favorite routine. Until next time, blend smart, live well, and feel great. One smoothie at a time.